Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. So in this video we will see how we can use lazy vertical grid and lazy vertical staggered grid. So what we will do, we will just comment this code for now. And here we will use lazy vertical grid. Now we have to define how many number of columns we want to display. So it will be from grid cells dot. So we can define fixed size or adaptive. So we will call fixed here, and we want to display 3 columns. Okay, now again for contents, we will just use lazy grid scope. Now again do the same items, and here items will be user list. Your key will be it dot user ID, and here we will add scope. Okay. Now again in the scope, we will just use this function card user list item, and here we can just use user also. Now we will just run it and see. Now you can see the content are displayed in the form of grid. Okay. Now if we want to create a fixed size, we can use grid cell dot fixed size property, and in the fixed size we will define the size is 200 dp. Now we can see, so this way we can define a grid with a fixed size. Okay, so similar way we can create a lazy vertical staggered grid. Now we need to change this one here. It will be staggered grid cell. Okay, now we can just verify. So if you notice, there is no such major difference in the layout because staggered grid layout and grid layout is almost same unless the content size change. So what we will try, we will just update the content for one of the item. Let's say Sachin Tendulkar is best cricketer. He is master. Now see. If you notice here, this particular element is taking height which is equal to 3 element on the left hand side. So this way the staggered grid layout try to adjust the item height based on the content. So that much for this video. In the next video we will see how we can use different content type which can be used in the list. So stay tuned for further updates.